Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. If I can still say that. It's February already, so I guess not. Anyways, but welcome back to my channel. Today I have no makeup on in my introduction because I want to do get ready with me / chit chat / really this is an everyday makeup look. It's I'm gonna say something quick when you don't have time to do your makeup, something that you could have in your makeup bag and just do it at work or on your way to work if you take the train or the bus, or real quick in the morning when you don't have that much time. That's what the makeup that I use, that I do on myself to run errands. And I'm just going to show it to you. It's very natural and very simple and with very few items. The first thing I'm going to be using is the Avène CC cream. This is in the color medium. It's going to look a little white on me, but this is just a base. This acts as your moisturizer and your sunscreen, and it adds a little bit of color. It also kind of acts like a primer. Also, I wanted to do this makeup for a friend that contacted me on Messenger, and she said that every time she does her makeup, somebody comments that they have too much makeup on, and I feel like this is a way of doing your makeup without looking like you have a lot of makeup on. See, at the beginning it kind of looks like my skin is a little too pale. But, you know, it's just going to be under my makeup, so I don't care about that. The next thing I like to do is my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using this Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. It has the spoolie on one side. Oops, that fell. And it's one of these ones that are very thin. The one thing I don't like about these is that once you start using them, the pointy side of it becomes rounded, and then it doesn't really strokes. But I like it because it's like whenever I want to do quick eyebrows, this is good for it. See, not too perfect because, like I said, we're in a little hurry, but at least they look decent. This makeup I also use to to at least have a little something going on. I don't always do my makeup when I'm off or running errands because I really don't care if I always have makeup. Even though it seems like it, that I always have makeup, I don't really like to always have makeup, and I also like to let my skin breathe a little bit on the days that I'm off. But sometimes, like, I want to look a little decent. If I feel like if I'm going to the mall or something, like, I want to look a little decent and a little more awake, like my eyes and stuff like that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use my Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to apply it under my eyes and a little bit over my eyes, a little bit on my nose, on the corner of my lips because I have discoloration there, and just a little bit here because I also have discoloration here and here. And I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna use my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender. This is the LC Cosmetics beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna blend those things. If I'm doing my full face of makeup, then I will do color correction. But since this is a quick makeup application, I don't have time for that. So I'm not gonna do that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna be using my Pure Minerals mineral powder. This is a 4-in-1 powder, meaning that it's powder foundation. And I love it because it makes your skin look like skin. It doesn't, especially like if you're gonna do something a little bit more natural, this helps you out. I use the color medium dark. So it's powder, foundation, sunscreen, and they say it's also concealer, but you know, I need that extra step, boo-boo. I have some dark circles. The next step I'm going to be doing is my highlight. This is the Master Chrome Concealer by Maybelline. And this is in the color Molten Gold. And I'm going to take my beautiful, my favorite brush, which is my flat brush from Mod Cosmetics. I can't remember the number of this flat brush. I always forget, but I'm going to list it below in the comment. And then I'm going to go like that and just press it down on my the bottom lid. Just so that we look like we have a little something. Like we look that we were trying a little bit this morning, you know. And then I'm going to be using the Smashbox brush. It's a number 10, and I'm going to be applying it in the highest points of my cheek, because this is going to give me the healthy glow, you know, like make people think that my skin is super healthy. Put it on the bridge of my nose and on the other side of the face, and also a little bit here, and a little bit here, and a little bit here. We want to look glowy, basically. Like we woke up like this, glowy. Okay, then we're gonna take a bronzer. This is the Balm Bahama Mama, and we're gonna apply that with this LC Cosmetics E1 brush on top of the highlight that we did on the crease of the eye. Just a little bit. It's a fluffy brush, so you really don't have to be too like crazy with it. Just blend it a little bit, and that's it. We're gonna take this contour brush and we're gonna apply it on the cheek under the highlight, a little bit lower than the highlight. See, just so that it can look like we tried a little bit today, like we look like we had cheekbones. And you could put a little bit over here too if you want to conceal that double chin, girl. Double chin. And you could grab your this little galactic brush, and that's what I do to contour my nose a little bit. You could skip this step if you have like the perfect nose, or if you don't have time to contour your nose, girl. I ain't got time for that. I'll contour this here too, just to make it a little powderier, and a little bit of here. Okay, and now we're gonna be applying this Luminoso by Milani. This blush is so pretty, and I love it because it gives you like this glow, this radiant glow, like the name says, Luminoso. And I forgot my blush brush, so I'm gonna be using the same brush I use to apply my contour. It's okay, girl. And you just apply it right on top of that contour. Okay. So you see how cute, and you just smile and you apply a little bit on the cheek like that. So pretty. It gives you that glow, that J-Lo glow. Okay. Then what we do now is that we're gonna and I like this step because it makes your eyes look like more sexy, or that it has like, people are gonna think like, do you have something in your eye, or is that your lashes? That's how it is. It's to do your waterline with a black eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama, and you just apply it in the top waterline, and in the bottom waterline. This is not my favorite black eyeliner because I think it does smudge, even though they say it's waterproof. But right now that's what we're working with, because I ran out of my Stila black eyeliner. Once we're done with all the powders, we're gonna go back with my powder brush and just blend everything together that we apply, just so that everything marries together and you don't look too much, because remember, we want to look like natural, like we woke up like this. And we're gonna set it with this new finish. Well, no, I'm reading the wrong side. Matte Finish Setting Spray by Wet n Wild. And I like the matte finish because it helps me keep the oil controlled. But if you have dry skin, then there's a dewy one too, and it only cost me like $4.99. Really good. So we're gonna let that dry. You already know I have to bust out with my fan. And while that dries, I'm gonna apply this Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee lip gloss. I love this. This is my everyday lip gloss. If you want, you can apply a lip liner or a colorful lipstick. That's gonna stand out and make it look like you tried a step further, and it's just a different color lips. Like you could do a red or a fuchsia depending on what you like. Also, you could do a liquid eyeliner or an eyeliner, a cat eye, to make it look like you tried a little harder too. So now that my face is dry, I can apply my mascara. This mascara is not waterproof, so that's why I do it after I set my face. And this is the final step. I just like the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara by Makeup Shayla. And like I said, my trick with my lashes is one coat on the top and then two in the bottom. And just wiggly, 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 make those lashes long. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Play with the tips. This is also gonna make it look like you have makeup on, but not too much. Look at the difference of one eye and then the other. A lot of difference. And voila, that's the whole makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. It was very simple. I hope it was simple for you. You can see my face. It looks even and it looks luminous, and it looks like I'm refreshed, even though I didn't sleep well last night. But you know, like it's something quick, and you can make a variation of it. You could change it up. You could change the lip. You could add an eyeliner. If you have time, you could do an actual eyeshadow, and you have a full complete makeup look. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, or you had a wonderful Valentine's Day with your friends, family, and loved ones. I love you so much, and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Mwah.